B-21 Raider, a game changer, or just a B-2 upgrade. For over 30 years, if you wanted a bomber that was basically invisible, there was only one name in the game: the B-2 Spirit. It was, and still is, an icon of American air power. But in a world full of new and rapidly evolving threats, is it still enough? Now, there's a new shape in the shadows: the B-21 Raider. It's the U.S. Air Force's next-generation bomber, and it's wrapped in secrecy. The B-2 Spirit is a legend, no doubt, but it's a legend born in the 1980s. Its stealth was revolutionary for its time, but it's based on older technology. For decades, potential adversaries have been studying the B-2, developing sophisticated radars and missile systems specifically designed to find it. So, is this new aircraft the revolutionary leap forward the Pentagon claims it is? Or is it just a very expensive sequel to a 30-year-old design? We're going to cut through the hype, compare these two incredible machines, and figure out if the B-21 is truly a game changer. The problem: why a new bomber? On top of that, its sensitive stealth coatings require a massive amount of maintenance. That high-tech skin needs a lot of love, which means a lot of time in the hangar. That sounds technical, but think of it like your smartphone. It's designed for relatively cheap and easy software and hardware upgrades. This is a game-changing advantage over the B-2, which is stuck with 1980s-era computers that require hugely expensive and complicated overhauls. The B-21 is designed to evolve, ready to integrate AI-advanced sensors, and act as a quarterback in the sky for a whole network of forces. It's hard to get them in the air quickly and often, which is a huge problem if you need to fly a lot of missions in a major conflict. The Air Force learned a hard lesson with the B-2. Only 21 were ever built, and after one was lost in a crash, only 20 remain in service. The B-21, on the other hand, is being designed with modern digital manufacturing to slash production costs and speed up assembly. The goal is a fleet of at least 100 Raiders. That larger number gives you flexibility and resilience that a small fleet, no matter how capable, just can't match. The world has changed, and the old playbook just wasn't going to cut it anymore. But it makes up for that by being incredibly versatile, capable of carrying both conventional and nuclear weapons. Plus, it's designed to integrate future weapons and could even act as a mothership for drones. So why did the Air Force feel the need to build a new bomber in the first place? Then there's the money. The B-2 program was famously expensive, with each plane costing what would be over $2 billion today. It represents a generational leap, not just in stealth, but in the entire philosophy behind a strategic bomber. It's built to be adaptable, affordable, and numerous. The B-21 Raider is a game-changer being built to define the next 50 years of air. The solution: the B-21 Raider. Its advanced stealth means it can genuinely hold any target on the planet at risk, which is a powerful deterrent in a world of rising tensions. This is where the B-21 Raider comes in. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like and subscribe for more content. Yes, it has that same futuristic flying wing shape as the B-2, but make no mistake, this is a fundamentally different animal. So while some might point to the smaller payload, they're missing the bigger picture. The B-21's real strength is in its advanced technology, its adaptability, and the strategic options that a larger, more sustainable fleet provides. The plan is for the B-21 to eventually take over from both the B-1 and B-2 fleets, flying alongside the modernized, timeless B-52. Its airframe is smaller and sleeker, with engine intakes that are blended almost seamlessly into the wing. These aren't just cosmetic tweaks. They make the aircraft incredibly difficult for even the most advanced radar systems to get a lock on. It's designed from the ground up to survive in the most heavily defended airspace imaginable. Let's start with the stealth. The B-21 features seriously advanced, next-generation stealth technology. But the real revolution is on the inside. The B-21 is built with what's called an open systems architecture. Now, when it comes to what it can carry, the B-21's payload is actually estimated to be a little smaller than the B-2's. And finally, the part that makes this all possible, the cost, strategic implications, game changer or upgrade. And altogether, what does it mean? Is the B-21 a true game changer or just a B-2 2.0? It's not just about being a better bomber. It's a totally different approach to strategic air power. The open architecture means it won't become obsolete in a decade. It's an adaptable, multi-role platform built for the networked battles of the 21st. So back to our original question. The B-21 Raider is far more than a simple upgrade. The B-2 was a legend built to dominate a different era. What do you think? Is the B-21 a true game changer? Let us know in the comments below.